In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager and GA4. Here's the plan. We'll connect Google Ads to your GA4 property, mark the right event in GA4 as a key event, and then import that event into Google Ads as a conversion. This approach is perfect if your GA4 events are already being sent from your site, whether that's via Google Tag Manager or directly with the GA4 tag. Make sure you have the right permissions in both platforms: admin access in GA4, and the ability to manage linked accounts and conversions in Google Ads. Start in Google Ads, sign in and head to the top navigation, then open Tools and Settings. From there, go to Data Manager. This is where you manage connections that bring measurement data into ads. Choose Google Analytics, GA4, as the source. You'll see a list of GA4 properties your account can access. Find the correct property for your website and click link. If you don't see it, double check that you're signed into the same Google account that has admin access to the GA4 property. Next, switch over to Google Analytics 4. Open admin, then go to Data Display and select Events. Find the event that represents your conversion, such as purchase, generate lead, or a custom event you're already tracking from Tag Manager. Toggle the switch to mark it as a key event. If the event isn't listed yet, it may need to fire on your site first before it appears here, so test your site to trigger it and check back. Return to Google Ads, go to Goals, then Conversions, and open the summary view. Click the plus button to add a new conversion action. Choose Import, then select Google Analytics 4 properties and pick Web. This tells Google Ads to use the key events you've identified in GA4. You'll now see a list of available key events. Select the one you just marked and click Import and Continue. After importing, review the settings that appear, like counting method and attribution, and save. Don't worry if you don't see data right away. It can take a little time for recent activity to show. Once users trigger that event, you'll start seeing conversions populate in Google Ads. A quick tip: if you're also using a standalone Google Ads conversion tag for the same action in Tag Manager, avoid double counting by keeping only one active method for that specific conversion. Finally, monitor the conversion status in Google Ads to confirm it's receiving events, and verify that your campaigns are set